This video will walk you through each step required to complete the weekly maintenance routine effectively. Before you begin, please ensure the following items are prepared: buffer bottles containing ultra-pure water and 80% ethanol, an empty waste container. To initiate the weekly maintenance, log into the device. Navigate to the Tools menu. Select the Maintenance Protocols tab. Click the play button next to the Weekly Maintenance Protocol. A step-by-step overview of the procedure will be displayed, along with real-time status updates. The system will prompt you via the graphical user interface and audible alerts whenever manual interaction is required. The weekly maintenance includes the following steps: cleaning tubing and external surfaces, performing sealing tests on the pressure dome and dispense head, emptying the waste container and any accumulated condensation water, executing UV decontamination of the dispense head. At the conclusion of the protocol, a success notification will confirm that the maintenance has been completed. Note that cleaning buffers used during this process may be contaminated and must not be reused for any biological applications.